Hey, designers, here's a tip for you to shade your illustrations quickly and easily. This is the cone. I'll select the area I want to shade. Now click on this small icon, draw inside. Now remove fill. Give it a darker shade of brown for shading. Now take the pencil tool. Increase stroke weight. And draw a line here. Let's take a lighter shade now. With pencil tool, draw lines here too. Now let's shade pink area. Click on this small icon to cone back to normal. Select it. Click on this icon. Take a darker shade. Now draw a similar shape on it. To get back to normal, click on this icon. Hope it helps. Like this video and subscribe.